Happy morning, children. See, have you ever noticed how everything around you is always moving? Say the trees sway, cars zoom, the fan spins, and even your chest moves as you breathe in and out. Some things move fast and some things move slowly, but they are all moving, right? So this is what we call it as motion. Okay. So today's class will see about motion. Okay. Motion is the change in position of an object with respect to time. It means what? If something changes its place from one point to another over time, it's in motion. Imagine you placed your toy car on the floor. If it stays still, it's at rest. But the moment you push it and it rolls forward, it has moved. It means it's in motion. Clear? So motion is a change in position of an object with respect to time. And how do we describe motion? So we use some important terms to talk about motion, that is distance, how far something moved. Then displacement, how far something moved and which direction. Speed, how far something is moving, that is distance by time. Velocity, speed with your direction. And then your acceleration, how fast the speed is changing, like when a car speeds up or slow down. Okay, so these are the important terms you'll be talking about. These are the important terms. It will talk about the motion. Okay, now we'll see the main types of motion one by one. So first is your linear motion. Linear motion is a straight line motion. When an object moves in a straight line, you call it as a linear motion. That is, the object travels the shortest path between 2 points. It can be fast, it can be slow, but the path is always straight. Okay, so you just keep it in, remember, in linear motion, whether it is fast or slow, but the path is always straight. Okay, for example, a car driving down a straight highway, or a ball dropped from a height falls straight down, a person walking down halfway, like that. Okay, so you visualize in your mind, imagine a ball falling from your hand to the ground in a straight path. That's your linear motion. Okay, so your linear motion is when an object moves in a straight line, you call it as a linear motion. Okay, next is your circular motion. When an object moves along a circular path, you call it as a circular motion. So the object is always changing direction. Even if the speed stays the same, it is still called accelerated motion because the direction is constantly changing. Okay, so when an object moves along a circular path, you call it as a circular motion, and here your object is always changing your direction. For example, a fan blade spinning on the ceiling, the moon orbiting the earth, or a child riding a merry-go-round. These are the real-time examples of your circular motion. So just visualize, imagine tying a ball to a string and spinning it around your head in a circle. So now the ball is moving in a circular path. That's your circular motion. Okay. Next is your periodic motion. Periodic motion is back and forth motion. Okay. When an object moves back and forth in the same path again and again, you call it as a periodic motion. I repeat, when an object moves back and forth in the same path again and again, you call it as a periodic motion. Okay. So the motion repeats itself after regular intervals, and these motions are often predictable, like a clock ticking. Okay. So the examples of the periodic motion is swinging pendulum in a clock, a child swinging on a swing, or the vibration of guitar strings when you pluck them. Okay, so imagine a swing in the park going forward and backward at regular times. That's your periodic motion. Okay, see, some objects, they show more than one type of motion at the same time. Okay, spinning top, it spins in a circle, that is circular motion, and move across the floor, that's a linear motion. Okay, so you can take it earth also, it spins around itself, called rotation, that is a circular motion, and it also moves around the sun, that's called revolution, another circular motion. Clear? So you have two types of motion. One is your uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay, So uniform motion is moving with the same speed all the time. Example, a train on a straight track. Okay. Non-uniform motion is speed keeps changing. Okay, it may be faster or slower. For example, a car in a traffic or a runner speeding up like that. Okay, so your uniform motion is moving with the same speed all the time. Non-uniform motion, speed keeps changing. It may be faster or slower. Okay, so just we'll see a quick review. Okay, so today we have seen linear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, and your mixed motion. Okay, so linear motion, your path always in a straight line, and example, ball falling or car on your road. And next is a circular motion, your path is circle or curved path, example, fan or earth orbiting sun. Periodic motion is it repeats back and forth, swing, pendulum, heartbeat, etc. Okay, mixed motion is more than one type of motions. Okay, earth motion, spinning top, etc. Okay, so everything in the universe is in motion. So from the smallest atom to the biggest planet, nothing is completely still. Correct. So learning about motion, it helps us understand how the world works, and it's the first step towards becoming you as a scientist or an engineer or an astronaut. Okay, so your motion is a rhythm of the universe, and now you can hear that beat and start exploring. Okay, hope this video finds very useful for you children. Thank you.